So hello guys, this is Janvi. We have been essaying with a CA from Gender and Society, in which we have asked questions to some random peoples regarding the topic feminism and the feminization revolution. So this is a video of collective opinions and expressions of different people on this topic. This video is made by me and my co-partners Gokul Pottumurthy and MD Amir Sohail. So my part here is anchoring and Gokul Pottumurthy is the cameraman, whereas Amir Sohail is the editing part, does the emitting part. So here we go with the video.
Hello ma'am, my name is Gokul. I want to ask some questions about feminism. And do you think feminism means hating men?
Thank you so much, Gokul, for asking me this question. I absolutely do not think that feminism means hating men. Feminism actually means that females should be independent about their ideas, their opinion, their financial decisions, their social interactions, and they should be very clear about how they are supposed to take their life ahead. Okay, only relying on the decision of men around them is not what females should actually do. So feminism is all about understanding yourself, getting that self-respect for yourself in the society, and taking decisions for the core aspects of your family, professional and personal aspects.
Hello guys, my name is Janvi. So we are asking simple questions from everyone related to feminism. So your question is, do you think feminism these days is being genuine and justified?
I think a lot of people are genuine about feminism, but sometimes it's like if there is a profit, then there is a feminism. It always sometimes related to that you have to do something. That's why there's feminism. It's not genuine in a lot of people. Yes, some of the people can honor women and they can respect them, but when it comes to normalcy in daily life, I don't think it's that.
So you say in ancient times feminism is justified and now it is not justified.
I don't think it was ever justified, feminism. It's always like if anyone has profit, then feminism is there. But if you don't have profit or you don't have anything related to do with it, then I don't think a lot of people care about feminism.
Thank you for your... So my question to you is, government these days is providing all rights and equal opportunities to all the women out there. So what do you think the feminists right here are fighting for?
Actually, government are providing so many facilities like in the reservations and everywhere to promote the women in workplace. But we can see as there are many workplaces where women are not treated equally, that they will get less payment. So I guess there are many other things also in which men don't consider women in their equality. So these are some things in which the organizations and other women are fighting for the right of equalities.
Thank you for your answer.
Hello, my name is Amir and my question is, what is feminism according to you? Can you explain?
Feminism is the idea of having equal opportunity of women as same as boys.
Okay. If you want to take some points, if you want to talk to some points regarding of feminism.
Feminism is good till some extent, but in these current scenarios, you can see some people, some women take advantage of feminism. They just exploit boys in the name of feminism. So we can encounter many incidents these days. You can see in news because of feminism, many people get exploited.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Janvi. So I'm going to ask you a simple question related to feminism and I need a genuine answer from you. So do you consider yourself a feminist and why?
I don't consider myself a complete feminist. There's a boundary line for everything. So being a feminist is not a bad thing, but nowadays the people are taking feminism in a bad way also, बहुत फायदा उठाते हैं इस चीज़ का. At some point we can see that. So it is good at a certain point, but it is not completely good.
According to you, what feminism is?
It's about getting equal opportunity for girls and boys as well, but there are things in which girls are obviously is not capable of comparing to boys. We can also say physically we are not comparable to boys. So this is the basic idea I get.
Going to ask the same question to the opposite gender sitting right here. So do you consider yourself a feminist and why?
No, I don't think myself to be a feminist. because as I think feminism to be a negative point of view. जैसे कि हम लोग हर फील्ड में देखते हैं कि लड़कियों को ज़्यादा हर जगह ज़्यादा ही कंसिडरेशन दिया जाता है, हर जगह ज़्यादा उनको चांस दिया जाता है हर एक चीज़ के लिए, इधर वो एग्ज़ाम हो या फिर कोई भी फील्ड हो, उन लोगों को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है। चाहे वो किसी चीज़ की फॉर्म भरनी हो, कुछ भी करनी हो, उन लोगों को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है। एक तरह से वो ठीक भी है, बट इतनी भी फेमिनिज्म नहीं होनी चाहिए कि बस बॉयज़ अपने आप को बहुत ही लो फील करने लगे। सो दिस इज माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू।
Thank you very much for your answer and for your time.
अरे मौसी मर गई मेरी।
Hello, I'm Janvi. So I need a minute of your time. I'm going to ask you a question. You can answer it in Hindi or English. What do you think feminism is according to your opinion?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फेमिनिज्म का मतलब तो यही होता है कि जो वुमेन है उनको इक्वल राइट्स दिया जाना चाहिए। मेरे ओपिनियन में जो अपनी डेवलपिंग कंट्री लाइक इंडिया की बात करें, अभी देख लीजिए जैसे बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एज़ कम्पेयर टू पहले के अकॉर्डिंग में अगर अभी देखें तो बहुत सारे ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आई है जो हमें मतलब वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को सपोर्ट करती है। सो बेसिकली वी शुड फॉलो दैट।
Thank you very much for your time.